Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here with another video which is about Pi Network Mainnet launch update. About some KYC, we will talk about KYC and more crypto mining apps like Pi Network. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's get started with the topic. Mainnet launch update by Pi founders. Let's read for once again. We have always prioritized accessibility and inclusivity, and therefore we want to give more pioneers the more opportunity to use their Pi once open network launches. When open network is launches, we pioneers will be able to spend our coin on different goods and services. Maybe it's a barter system. It's like a barter system, I give goods and services. Instead of that, someone will pay me Pi. According to this, I am decoding like that. If you have any idea about this, don't forget to comment down below so that in next video I will include about these things all. When open network launches, then we will be able to spend our Pi for goods and services. We will talk about the price later in this video, but later, okay? And why this is happening on open network launches instead of launching on big exchanges. Why Pi Network wants to use Pi coins of their pioneers, because more Pi on mainnet also means more engagement and stability in the ecosystem. That's why I used to tell that in initial phase Pi won't be listed on big exchanges. Instead, that Pi will be used for goods and services. As per my perspectives, I may be wrong, but if they did not launch it on exchanges, then also I am very hopeful on the good price of Pi whenever the price is fixed. And Nicholas already mentioned that the price of Pi will be decided by the pioneers. And also we have to look after the market, obviously, as they have already announced that quarter first of 2025 is open mainnet launch of Pi Network. So how many days are left? Do you remember? No. And Pi Day, maybe it's very possible that the open main network will be launched in Pi Day. You don't know, you might not know about the days left for Pi Network open mainnet. Am I right? If so, I have made something good and something easier for you. Let's have a look. Well, this is our official website where you will get different earning airdrops and minings app like Pi Network. Lots of things are there, and about update and news also. And what I included here is this Pi Network mainnet launch countdown. So if you are confused, just go to our website and see how many days are left for Pi launch, Pi open mainnet launch, and Pi Day. This day is for Pi Day, and there is high possibility of the launching open main network in Pi Day. That's why if you like this, bookmark this, save this, and whenever you want to watch how many days are left for Pi open mainnet launch, you can go and see. And also don't forget to share with your friends and family members so that they might get excited when the launch of Pi open network. So if you like this, then you can share with your friends. Obviously, if you want to bookmark this, then go here, 3-dot menu, top right corner, and add bookmark, and it's added. And you can go, and whenever you want to see, you can go and check the price. You can check the date, how many days are left for open mainnet launch. Don't forget to mine daily. And most of you already know that KYC is very important. If you don't know, and if you don't know how to do KYC, then you can comment down below. I will be making the detailed video for KYC. And I told you that this might be the interesting thing for you, which is GCV value. The GCV value is the real price of Pi Network. Well, many people are supporting GCV as shown in the social media, and lots of countries are also interested in Pi network and GCV. But when we see the traditional market of crypto, then with this supply, 100 billion supply and 100 million will be in circulation, I guess. If it comes on the circulation when it is about to be exchanged, then it can't be the value of Pi like that. I'm not sure about this. This is just my perspective, okay? And Pi network is not the traditional cryptocurrency. Pi network is very different from traditional one. And I have studied the white paper also, and it is built on the stellar consensus mechanism. I will be talking about this on another video. And what is your opinion about the GCV value? Is it for real, or it's just people are making it hype that 1 Pi will be $314,000? It's a very huge amount. And I already mentioned before at the starting of the video that this Pi has lots of chances not be listed on exchanges at very first. At first, they will set the value, or to set the value after open main network, they will allow people to spend their Pi with goods and services, and we will get that through the app. Many builders under the Pi network are already making good plans to build something in Pi network. Not Pi network, but on the Pi blockchain. Pi network team won't be responsible for your gain and loss, and nobody will be responsible for your gain and loss in this blockchain industry, because you are the one who can save or who can be involved in scam. You might get scammed by others. Yeah, all things are in your hand, but there is a risk also. You have to understand and you have to do your own research before interacting with any websites. Have a look first. Have a look on the link the people have shared. There are lots of scammers around the world and they want your Pi to be stolen just by clicking their phishing links. When you click on that link, the wallet drainer will be injected. Then wallet drainer will eat all of your coins. So be careful about this. And if you want me to make the video about security, how to secure your Pi coins, then leave a comment below and like this video. I'm not getting good amount of likes on this video. This time I expect good amount of likes and subscribe from you. So this much is for now. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it.